In this video, I'll be showing you how to stop your background apps running on Android phones. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's technically two different ways to do this. So let me just open up a bunch of random applications. So we'll just open up Twitter, Instagram, CapCut, and TikTok, for example. Those are our four. And if they're running in the background and you want to close them, what you want to do is press these three little lines on the bottom left, and you're going to see all of these different applications. Now, if I want to go ahead and close one, I can just swipe upwards on it and it's going to close it. It also shows which app is active. If I press one active app, it shows it right now. So I can also press that and that's the background active app. So AppLog VIP, I can go ahead and press stop and it's going to be stopped. What I can also do if all these applications, if I want to close all of them, just press the close all button and they're all closed. However, some applications are still going to be running in the background. So to ensure that they're not, go over to your settings application, go over and find apps, find whichever app you want to do this with. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to do this with Instagram. Go ahead and click on it and then go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see battery. Then change it from optimized to restricted, and then it's only going to run when you open it. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.